5 cryptos that everyone should own. That's what we're going to cover in this video. By the way, this video is not investing advice. Do what's right for you. Okay? I'm going to give you 5 cryptos that everybody should have in their portfolio because they make up a really good diversification planned portfolio. Okay? And they are blue chips, but that's the point. If you want to invest in something that's brand new, that's come out, fine. Treat it like the lottery. Go put $100 or $200 in it, whatever it may be. But if you want to really be successful, own these top 5 cryptos. Here they are. Bitcoin. Yep, you heard me right. Own Bitcoin. It is the single largest, biggest crypto out there by market capitalization. It is effectively digital gold. It is not going anywhere. Bitcoin. Ethereum. Yes, own Ethereum. By the way, you can own $100 of Bitcoin or $100 of Ethereum. You don't have to buy an entire Bitcoin or an entire Ethereum. Ethereum. Why? Come on. It's the lifeblood of crypto. Yes, it is. The blockchain. Third one, Cardano. Fantastic project. Here to stay. Not going anywhere. Another blockchain. A ton of dApps being developed and deployed. Fantastic leadership. Cardano. XRP. XRP is one that has a little bit of risk in it right now. Let's just call it what it is. We're waiting on the SEC lawsuit. But if that thing goes XRP's way, which the rumors and the winds of change seem to be blowing that it's going to go XRP's way, it's a fantastic one to own. That was 4. 5th one, Polkadot. Why not? Another blockchain. I'm going to give you a few others just because. Polygon Matic, the layer 2 to own. That's 2. That's a bonus. I'm going to give you another bonus. Shiba Inu. Yep, you heard me right. Community token. Some people call them meme tokens. I don't think so. Community token. Their own blockchain coming. Metaverse coming. 1.2 million holders. Rabid army that is out there every single day as an advocate for Shiba Inu. So if you want to own a community token that is extremely low cost as far as price per token, check it out. Oh, by the way, one final one. Clear Cryptos. Clear Cryptos is one that I've personally been involved with for a long time. Fantastic project solving real world business problems. Links in the description below to Clear, by the way. Not been compensated by anybody at Clear, but I just wanted to throw that one in as well. There you go. Just gave you some fantastic ones. The top 5 that you should own, plus bonuses. Polygon, Shiba Inu, Clear Crypto. Makes up a great diversified portfolio. My 2 cents. This was not investing advice. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you. Go make some money.